Today we're going to do an experiment with LEDs. I like LEDs for several reasons. One is that they're inexpensive. They come in many different colors and types. There's a lot you can do with them. And today experiment we're going to test at what voltage LEDs will illuminate. So let's start. We are at 1.5 volts, and you can see right now that all 5 LEDs are not illuminated. We have red, green, amber, blue, and clear. So let's slowly increase the voltage and see at what point the LEDs actually illuminate. So we're going to go up a little bit. Okay. About 1.6, 1.7, you can see a little bit on the camera there that the red LED is starting to illuminate a little bit, but none of the other ones yet. Let's put the voltage up a little bit more. 1.75. Okay, at 1.8, there's more illumination from the red, and the amber LED is also starting to illuminate. It's a little dim, but it's there. 1.9 volts. The green LED starts to illuminate a little bit. We still don't have a milliamp reading or an amp reading on the power supply because it's still not drawing enough. It's less than 10 milliamps. So let's go up to until we get a milliamp reading. Okay. So 2.1 volts, we're now drawing 20 milliamps. The first 3 LEDs, the red, green, and amber, are illuminated. The red and amber are actually quite bright. The green is on, but not quite fully illuminated. But as you can see, the blue and the clear have not even started yet. So we're going to have to use a little bit more voltage to get the blue and clear illuminated. So what I'm going to do is, so I don't burn out any LEDs, I'm going to remove the red and amber and increase the voltage. Alright, so I've removed the red and amber LEDs. We're still at 2.1 volts. We have no amp reading because we are now down below 10 milliamps. You can see the green is barely illuminated, so let's increase the voltage a tiny bit more. I'm going to turn the fine voltage all the way up. Okay, so that's the fine voltage all the way up. So we're at 2.6 volts. All the LEDs are illuminated. It looks like the green and blue are fully illuminated, but the clear is still not at full illumination. We are drawing 20 milliamps. So I'm now going to remove the green and blue, and we're going to see at what voltage our clear LED will fully illuminate it. Alright, still about 2.6 volts. We're going to try to illuminate the last LED, which is the clear LED. Incidentally, the same LED used for household lighting now. So let's see how much light we can get off of this. Now we're going to have to adjust the course voltage very carefully. 2.6, 3 volts. Okay. So it looks like we get full illumination at 3.7 volts. That's actually quite bright. And still at 20 milliamps.